I think STEM is the future. As computers become only more powerful and our ability to use them in different industries continues to grow, it's very important for people to be educated in STEM.
STEM education is important because it really defines the wave of the future. Most of the jobs that our students will be getting will be in some science, technology, engineering, or math, and so it's important that we develop those skills required to be successful in that field really early on.
Looking at science and technology is important because it is really a way of thinking. It's a manner in which we make discoveries about the natural world or learn more about the world that we live in.
What I like about Avid is how they teach us with different methods.
You get to use your hands and like write stuff, and it's like you're free. So like you're not like sitting down, just like writing on a piece of paper, copying off the teacher's whiteboard and stuff like that. You actually do it yourself and you show the class how to do it.
One of the things that we try to focus here is to give kids an early start on hands-on project-based learning, so that instead of doing everything from books and worksheets, we want to give them the perception to behave like a scientist, to act like a scientist, and to learn like a scientist.
I like how Dr. Lee teaches a lot of concepts that we don't learn at school and how we go farther ahead of other people, and the concepts are pretty challenging, but that's what makes them interesting and fun to grasp.
It's a lot more of a challenge, really, which is the fun part about it.
Well, Avid has a very acclaimed math program, and the other areas of it, technology and engineering, are growing. Our computer science area starts kids off very early. They start some kids programming with basic programs like Scratch.
Like about the website, we learned that you can make different movements and all about like the mouse and how the computer is like kind of how they work. Scratch is awesome.
It's all about trial and error and being able to kind of adjust your own learning. And so it's really important that students, like you said, persevere through this kind of education system and really work hard to develop their own ideals and pathways.
We want the kids to work together on projects. Today's work is designed by people working together and collaborate. And we want these kids to learn early on to evaluate the value of collaborations.
What we want to instill in the kids really is a sense of curiosity, and that's because not everything comes from the content knowledge that we want to just necessarily hand over to them. We want them to develop kind of a sense of wonder and act on their curiosity.
I like animals, and that's why I came to this camp, because I thought that we were going to be doing a lot of things with animals, so I came. And I found out that it's true, and this camp is also really fun. I love this camp.
What's your favorite part about Avid?
There's a lot of people.
The people. Dude, that was my answer.
Yeah, I think the best part of Avid is definitely the people.
The people and the TAs, they make it fun.
The teachers are cool.
And studying maps, and we learned about a snake's body part.
That's pretty awesome. Have you learned any life lessons from your time here?
Yeah, that science can be pretty fun.